Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will learn how to add or how to embed a YouTube video on your WordPress website with just simple steps, right? So let's say if you want to showcase any YouTube video or if you want to embed any YouTube video on your WordPress website, let's say for example, we have a website and on this homepage, instead of this image on the right hand side, I want to showcase a video or I want to integrate a video. And I also don't want to use any external plugin for that. So without any plugin, how to embed a video, let's check it out. So for that, we will need first a video. So for example, here is our channel, YouTube channel, and we can take any video randomly, for example. So let's say this is the video which I want to embed. So what I need to do is I need to select the video and I need to click here and I can click on share button. If you are not able to see this button by any chance, just click on the video, just pause it little once, and then you will definitely see a share button on the bottom of the video. So just click on the share button, just copy this URL and come back to your WordPress dashboard. And if you want to, let's say, add on homepage in our case. So, and if we are using Elementor as a page builder, so what we will do, we will click on edit with Elementor like this. And once the Elementor window, editing window is right in front of us, then we will simply replace the image with our video. So here the container contains the image, but instead of image, I want to add a video. So first I'll delete this, something like this, and then I will drag and drop this video widget from here. So I will drag and drop the video widget. And now as soon as I drop the video widget, you can say the source. The source is by default YouTube. And apart from YouTube, there are other options like Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress, and self-hosted. It means you are not only bounded or restricted to embed a YouTube video, but you can also embed these platform videos. So for example, in our case, YouTube, then we will replace this given link. So we'll just copy the entire link and we will remove it. So we'll just remove this entire link, which is already there, and we will paste our YouTube video. As soon as we paste it, our link, you can see the preview is there, right? So now our video is embedded. But apart from this, what other options do I get in this control panel? So let's say I want this video to be, played from a specific time. Let's say this video is of, let's say, in this case, this video is of 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And it is of course, will start from 0 second. But if I want to show users from, let's say, 30 seconds, so I can simply type 30, that is seconds. So it means the video will not start from the beginning, it will start from 30th second of the duration. And specifically also I can set an end time. Let's say I don't want to showcase full video. I want to showcase, let's say, from 30 second to 60 second. So now my users will only be able to by default see from 30 to 60 second time duration. So that is something you get the option here. Then the option is autoplay. Right now, let's say if I update this page and if I see the preview in the next tab, so by default, this video is not playing, right? As soon as I visit the page, this video is not playing. I need to click on this option and then this video will start playing. But if I want my users, right, to see this video already playing, so what I can enable autoplay. And as soon as I enable autoplay, the video will start playing automatically as soon as somebody visits my homepage. So in this case, if I refresh the page again, so you will see the video is getting played automatically. I am not supposed to play the video, right? It will automatically start. It is loading right now and it will depend on your internet speed. I mean your user's internet speed, how fast it is. So if I refresh it, you can see that it will start loading, right? So it will start automatically playing if you enable autoplay. Play on mobile. If you want your users to play this on your mobile as well, then you can enable this option. Then mute. By default, if you want to keep this video as mute, because sometimes, let's say if somebody is visiting your website and they don't know that there is a video on the home page, and as soon as they visit your website, the video automatically plays. And if there is a loud sound in the video, right, it becomes very weird situation for users. So by default, you should mute the video. And if you want your video to be played in loop, let's say never ending loop, because once the video will reach to 60 second mark, it will stop playing. But if you want continuously playing in a slideshow type, then you can enable in a loop, right? So that is something you can enable. Player control, if you want users to control this video like play, pause, right? So you can enable, but if you want users only to watch the video and do not control the video, then you can simply switch off the player options. Then privacy mode, it means the user will not see suggested options, right? So as soon as we see any YouTube video, at the end we get suggested option, yes, suggestions. But in this option, user will not get it. And the last option is lazy load. Of course, if you are embedding a YouTube video or external YouTube video on your WordPress website, it will definitely impact your speed of the page. So if you want users to see this video when they reach to this section, let's say right now I am attaching this video in the first section, but let's say if I add it somewhere down the page, right? Let's say somewhere here. So I don't want this video to be played immediately. As soon as user reach this section, then only this video should be played. Then I can enable the lazy load option, right? Now, it is not compulsory that you only embed YouTube videos. Even if you go for Vimeo video, let's say, then accordingly video from Vimeo option, Vimeo platform will get the options like autoplay, play on mobile, mute, loop, privacy, and some other options are there. So based on platform, you will see multiple options, or the options will keep on changing. And the last option is self-hosted. Let's say if you don't want to add external video, if you want to self-host, then what you can do, you can go to WordPress dashboard, go to media, and then from here you can add or upload new file. So you can simply upload your video file, come back here, and then you can choose your video file from here. Right? So from media gallery, you can choose the item. But please remember, if you are self-hosting the video on your website, WordPress website, then please make sure the weight of the video should not be, on the higher end. I mean, it should not be like 10 MB, 20 MB, or maybe 50 MB, because it will increase the page load, page size, and definitely it will impact the page speed and the overall performance of your website. So what I recommend is, if you can host the video somewhere else like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or WordPress, or somewhere else, then host the video on the other platform and just embed the link of that video on your WordPress website. It will save you, in terms of website performance, in terms of website speed. So that's how you can add any YouTube video or any other external video on your WordPress website, and you can play for your users. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You have to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification from our channel as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.